and welcome to the Ballet Basics for Adults series. I'm Alessia. Today we're going to be jumping around like never before in two very simple positions, first and second. We're going to be sautéing in first and second position. I know you are eager to know how to do it and what is the best way to tighten up those muscles that we've been looking for, because that is what is cool about ballet. We're not only enjoying ourselves, we're actually toning our body at the same time. Let's do it right away. Sauté in first and second position. I had to get you to jump. We've been working on legs and feet for the whole bar and I could not leave you without jumping. So this is one of my very favorites because it's simple, it's nice, it's fun, and it is sauté in first and second position. It's one of the very first exercises that you will find in the jumping section of the ballet class. So it is always to kind of warm up the feet and to remind them that they've got bones and muscles and every single one needs to work. So the sauté, you know how we worked on the rise and the relevés? So you think of taking a relevé, which starts from a plie, it goes up with intensity and, you know, a little bit of a dynamic. It takes off and then it re-lands, okay? So, but this time we're actually adding the jump. So we plie. Think of going super pointy feet because that's what we are missing out from the demi-point to the point in a jump. So sauté, there you go, you got it. You go from a plie into a very dynamic relevé off the floor, landing back. So let's try it again. And we go jump and jump. This is your jumps in first. Try a little bit quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Do not lose our plie and relevé super high. What happens in second? Yeah, let's try in second. Or better say, let's try to go from first to second. Let's try it. Come on, see what happens. Don't let the bubble out. I know you've done it. No. I want to see, and I don't want to see this one either. I want to see squeeze the goddess squat. It has to happen, yeah? Yes, you will work on thighs. Yes, you will work on calves and feet. In a second position, I still want to see that relevé happening. Yeah, go relevé. Yes, that's the one. Sautés in second position. Shall we do the exercise with it? Let's do it. Remember to download the guide and calendar to keep track of your progress and path. It's down in the description box below. You just need to click on the link and download it. Plus remember, if this is the very first time that you get around here, the playlist is going to be linked up there. So you can start from scratch from the very first exercise that we did. Let's do it. So the exercise is very simple. We're taking 2 sautés slow in first position. 1 and 2, 3 fast in first position. 1, 2, 3. Very good. One more time, 2 slow. 1 to really squeeze that bum. 2 fast. The third one goes into second position. 1, 2, 3. So you're already ready. We do the same. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Be careful that it doesn't become this. Yeah, you still remember your plie and your stretches. That's what we've been training for. And then 2 fast, and the third one comes back in. 1, 2, back in. Come on. 2 slow, 3 fast, 2 slow, 2 fast, 1 to change. 2 slow, 3 fast in second, 2, 2, 1 to change. In case of doubt, rewind this and watch it again. I'm getting puffy. And breathe. 1, 2, 3. Again. 2, 1, 2, change. Good. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Last one, and finish. Catch your breath. I know sometimes by jumping around that much, we need to take a little bit of breather. Very well done. I'm so proud of you. Don't worry if your feet or your calves cramp up. It is very normal. So give it a little bit of an extra stretch to kind of relax your muscles. Let me know in a comment below how it went because I want to know all about your progress. And if you're ready for the very next step, another one of my very favorite steps is still jumping around, and it is going to be in arabesque. Arabesque? Oh, I think you need to know what it is and how to do it. Ton Levain, arabesque.